I'm gonna make sure that it taxis first. Seems to be taxiing straight. I'm gonna run through the control surfaces real quick. Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Got the FMS PITTS out here. I didn't forget the spinner and back plate like I did last time. Got about an hour and a half before dark. We had a big storm come through. I don't have any electricity at home. Probably won't have any for quite a while because it seems like it's a small amount of people that are affected. Only like a quarter of my neighborhood is without electricity, so I can tell that we're going to be on the short list of the totem pole. So instead of sitting around with flashlights and listening to Brutus whimper, I figured I'd come out here for a little while. I need to go to the grocery store anyways and get lunch stuff for next week, and I haven't flown in quite a while, about 2 weeks now. So I said, I'm at least gonna fly the PITTS. So the PITTS is the only thing I brought out here. Get my mic clippy dude better. So we haven't flown the PITTS since our repair on the landing gear. I'm gonna make sure that it taxis first. Seems to be taxiing straight. I'm gonna run through the control surfaces real quick. Good looking plane, it sure is. Throttle cut is on. And safe select off, rates are high just to check everything. So elevator up, elevator down, rudder left, rudder right. Right aliens up, left aliens up. Unclip the transmitter. Throttle cut is still on, safe select is off. I'm gonna check, make sure the gyro AS3X is working in the right direction. Lift this wing, aileron goes up, elevator goes up, rudder moves the direction that I'm moving it. Safe select on, I'm gonna flip it upside down real quick. Ailerons fully deflect. Try the right side of the plane up. Mid rates. My trims are zeroed. I really can't remember how it flew last time. It's been that long. So we'll roll it. We're rolling up here and we'll take off to behind us. Seems like there's a bunch of drag on the wheels right there when I was pushing it, which is not a bad thing. Kind of help for a braking, right? I've got the AS3X and the safe select gains, both adjustable. The safe gains are on the knob. I mean, the AS3X gains are on the knob. Safe is on this slider right here, back behind my right index finger. Got reverse. That's reverse. Got forward. Got a rudder, elevator, aileron rudder mix to help it turn, just in case. I was about to take off and I was talking about that wheel having some drag and it won't even roll hardly. Dragging. All right, well, take two. So my wheel was rubbing a little bit on the wheel pant, so I took a X-Acto knife, just carved that a little bit. It did that. It's done that before. So safe select on. We'll do mid rates, and I say we just try to go for it, see what happens. All the gains are maxed out. Need to turn some gains down for sure. It was wobbling a little bit. It's also nosing down a little bit. So like I talked about my attitude trim, we'll need to do that. I just turned this next pass, I'm gonna turn the safe off and try to trim it up a little bit. 23.9 volts, 14 amps, 104 Fahrenheit. Seems to be flying pretty good. All right. Still nosing down a little bit. 23.7 volts, 13 amps, 108 Fahrenheit. Trying to feel it out. Haven't flown it in a while. It's kind of quiet. Definitely need a little rudder to turn, and it's safe select just is nosing it down. So I'm gonna land it and adjust my attitude trim, give it +1 or +2 more, and try that. So we'll get ready for a landing approach. I'm gonna get on the other side of the runway. I can see better right there. Even though it's kind of overcast, you'd call it. I don't have my sunglasses on. There's a little, makes it a little tough. We'll land at this next go around. Boy, that was tough, wasn't it? Whew. That was a tough one. So we need to adjust the attitude trim, make sure the wheels are good. Throttle cut, forward programming. Gyro settings, system setup, safe, panic mode, attitude trim, pitch +2, relearn servo settings, apply, and complete. Make sure it can still roll. Yeah, that wheel's dragging, probably because it bounced like a basketball. Not that one. It's the other one now. Oh. Well, hang tight, guys. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away.
At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.